HelpMeWithStats.com was used to create this tutorial that can help us calculate a mean when multiplying all scores by a value. Let's see what happens to the mean when we multiply every score by 10. Here we have the symbol for the new mean after we multiply each score by 10. Here is the sum of each score multiplied by 10. We can take the multiplication of 10 inside the summation and place it outside the summation because each score is being multiplied by 10. We can take the denominator of n inside the summation and place it in the denominator outside the summation because each score is being divided by n. But the sum of the original scores divided by the original n is the definition of the original mean, so we can substitute the original mean. We now have the new mean equal to 10 times the original mean. For more help with statistics, HelpMeWithStats.com is a free website that has more than 70 tutorials, as videos, or as self-paced slideshows. You can also learn how to conduct more than 60 statistical analyses by watching videos that show complete solutions, or by working through an unlimited number of examples using the step-by-step problem solvers. Finally, you can access a comprehensive stats textbook with more than 685 review questions. Thanks for watching. If you find these resources valuable, please share with your friends, teachers, and professors.